Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ULEFONE Note 80 Ultra and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and you tap on your photo in the right corner and there choose Settings option, where we must tap on Family and their parental controls. In it, we must change our PG 3 to PG 80 on Allow All Included Underrated to have access to all applications. To do that, tap on it, enter our connect pin to your parental controls, and there we can change it maybe to Allow All Included Underrated, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!